Adding and arranging elements in Google Slides. To go along with my slides about picking a good dog breed for a family, maybe I want a picture. I can do this very simply by adding in shapes. I can manipulate the shapes so that it creates a dog. I can use Control D, hold down Control and click D or press D key to duplicate an element, and then I can use guidelines to help line things up correctly. I can rotate. So, for example, the triangles to create the ears, I can rotate them so that they're on the right angle. And I can then group the elements so that I can move it around together. To group the items, hold Shift while you select them, then right click or double tap to select Group. Rather than a drawing, I might want to actually insert pictures for a more professional look. In order to do that, I simply click Insert Image and I can search the web or upload from my computer. I've shown both in this video. I can use the cropping tool to only include the parts of the images that I want, and I can hold Shift while I resize to make sure I don't distort the image width-wise or height-wise. If I want borders around my images, I can do that by clicking on the 3 lines and choosing the weight of the line that I want. I can also change the border color. Here I'm choosing this teal color. Finally, I can arrange my elements by choosing what appears in front and what appears behind. And now you know.